Alright, welcome to Tyson Gamer's installation of, well, I don't know if you can see that, but it's a Toovren 2-pack outdoor. It is a pipe cover. So, here you go. This is a spigot that we actually had replaced on our house. We haven't even been here 6 months yet, and we had to get that spigot replaced. And you can see we have snow on the ground. Weather conditions are not really good for metal and whatnot, so why not protect them? So this 2-pack here goes for less than $12 on Amazon. So we're gonna just open this up, and okay, so we got this here. It's basically like an insulated plastic bag. So we're just gonna cover it and then just secure it with this Velcro strap. So seems easy enough. Just gonna slide this bad boy on. Sorry, I can't hold my camera while doing this. Alright. So I just did the strap. And there's a bag, and it's nice and insulated, and so yeah, there you go. Nothing can crawl in. We'll keep it protected from the elements, and there you go. It only takes a few seconds. Thank you for watching. God bless.